Hey, what's up, man?
What up?
Hold on. Wait a minute. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That limit that I said on ES last night, we got it hit, I think. Hold on, let me make sure I ain't tripping. Yep, if y'all followed that trade from last night on that ES trade, we up, baby. We up. So I'm up 6K today. 6K in these Apex accounts. That's what I'm talking about. I traded 3 of them. So I'm up 17. And this is the account that I traded on last night. We set limits. Yeah. We got this ES limit hit. I think we might have hit the top. Let me actually look at that. Man, what account is this? 162. Yeah, I think we might have got the top on ES. Dex 162. Yeah, we got in around. Damn, we literally caught the top on ES today. What I'm talking about. We got in at 95 or 993. So we literally only was in like 2 points of drawdown and caught this drop. That's what I'm talking about. 2 points of drawdown. We have 4 contracts on, and I'm up 2,200. So I'm up 2K in 3 accounts. So I'm up 6K today. So I'm talking about, baby.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Fortune seller 10Q.
Damn, this drop is vicious, dude. This drop is vicious.
Iceberg ES5. Buy Iceberg NQ. Buy Iceberg NQ.
Really no point.
Seller 10Q. Seller sweep NQ. Sell stock NQ. Iceberg ES sell. Seller sweep NQ. Seller sweep ES. Buy stock NQ. Iceberg ES5. Iceberg ES sell. Buyer ES. Iceberg ES sell. Seller sweep NQ. Fortune buyer ES. Buyer sweep ES. Buyer sweep ES.
So what do you think? You in this short or?
Nah, I missed it.
Yeah. Let me look at the fibs for today. Yeah, this is gonna be big. You're definitely in a big range today. Yo, this might be actually going to it might be going to this golden zone down here, dude. On the Nasdaq. I doubt that actually let me hurry and do that real quick. Let me take off that long limit because I'm not gonna trade no more. Take that long limit off. A good area that we probably see like a bounce on the ES is 896, 897. We might see a double bottom here at this low on the ES. We may. I had a limit there sitting last night just in case, but my short entry got filled. So all right, so let's see if we can get a trade in.
Was a good drop too.
Mm. Gain weight. What's up? Motivation healing. And what's up, Ivan? Gain weight last night was saying, "Hey, stop helping people last night. How else you supposed to get all long positions?" You keep telling people not to short.
No help at all. Dang.
Yeah. Obviously, the Think with Bookmap chat was super bearish for whatever reason. Super bearish.
Ice for BS sell.
At the time where they should have been long.
Of course, as it was going up, we had what 1, 2, 3. We have 4 green candles, a red doji, and some more green candles. You don't short that. You don't short that.
Dang. They were all eager to take this higher last night after the initial drop.
Yeah, it just rebalanced that area. That's all it did last night. It rebalanced 489, 490. And look on a higher time frame chart. That's all it did. Man, shit, that would have been a good short if I was in front of my damn screen. Hey, what's up, game weight? And motivation healing said his limit order just filled for a long, waiting for a 10 points MES bounce. Nah, that's not something long right there. I'm not long in that. I don't need to do that anymore. So you're looking for the ES to bounce. I will say this. I'm not saying that it won't happen, but let's see what they do here at the 50 EMA.
Sell ice for 10.
Man, that was perfect entry, dude. That was a perfect ES entry last night. Wow. A perfect ES entry.
Sell ice for 10. Ice for BS sell. Absorptions by TS.
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me. I forgot about that.
Oh, book map.
Nah, that's option flow data. See what kind of environment we're in right now.
Buyer sweep BS. Buyer sweep NQ. Ice up NQ. Ice for BS sell. Ice for BS sell. Absorptions buyer TS. Absorptions buyer TS. Ice for BS sell.
So yeah, I wouldn't long. Well, I mean, we're in a negative gamma environment again today. We're in a negative gamma environment. We could see a reaction at 585, but we had that reaction on Friday. It's highly unlikely that we'll probably get it again. So the next level is 580 on SPY. So, but we do have a dark pool order block here at 586 that the market is trying to bounce off of. So
Ice for ES sell.
at least for right now, I guess we should be focusing on shorts. And Smith, I think it's happening. I think we're back in. I think we're back, baby.
Thinking we're back
I think we're back.
Ice for ES5.
I can be a bear again.
after a long year of hibernation. Thinking we're back.
Thinking we're back.
I gotta
So I for you. Stop ES5. I stop and view.
I do love the fact that we literally got a rejection at that 23%. And this is, I mean, if you had your a sell limit here at 480, it literally rejected right at the 23%. Bounced somewhat at the golden zone. So I'm thinking that like 300, 317, if we do see it move back up here, I'll be looking for a short. If we see it, if they don't reject price here. I'm thinking we're back. Bitcoin is
Stop ES5.
Oh shit. So you took that long? You know what, man? You got your 10 points motivation healing? I'm pretty sure you did. Yeah, you should have. Yeah. You definitely got your 10 points. Nah, that thing would have missed me. But at the same time. Okay. The question is, are they going to sell the retest here on ES? Are they going to try to double bottom this thing? Give me a second, guys. Give me a second.
Yeah, I caught a little piece of this pie only because
I
of
stop and you. I
consistency rule.
buyer DS.
All right.
I wish man, I was practically in at the bottom on NQ.
Were you?
Yeah.
Yo, that was a
Wow.
nice long motivation healing.
Wow.
I know.
I was in. Wow. Yeah, I was in long it. Well, I waited to make sure they weren't going to try to trap and clap, but I got in at 192
Mm-hmm.
and then scaled a second contract at 195.
Mm-hmm.
And then this thing just went. Yeah. So, okay. With the starters, did they have a soft?
A soft breach?
Oh, yeah, a soft breach
Why you ask?
because I got breached on my MFF. Well, I don't know. I think that was the whole thing.
What'd you do?
I don't know because I know they took it off. I longed VWAP in the beginning, but I was trying to go and see what their thing is, but of course they got rid of the one that I was trading.
Well, you shouldn't have a soft
I
breach
got
for anything.
50K left.
Okay, so I guess this thing doesn't want to short. All right.
Wow. So what did curiosity would be make? To the right, 3 lines. No, not that. Yeah. 60.
Mm.
I would think they'd want to short probably around 440, between 440 and if you're looking at NQ, 440 and 480, I'd give it that 40-point range, maybe 500, but
We got a double top on ES. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I was about to say, I was like, man. So Nasdaq, you did that shit. Damn it. I picked the wrong one. I picked the wrong one.
I think there's
No,
going
I picked the wrong
perhaps
one. Oh.
still gonna, unless this 2-hour candle holds out,
Okay.
they could drop it a little bit here.
That's what I'm looking for.
But I don't think they're gonna take it all the way back down though. I think.
Yeah, no. Probably somewhere in this range or something.
Well, I'm done for a trade day. I mean, I guess that's a good thing to have, but it was just so quick. It was so quick, and I didn't even catch all of the move. I could have stayed. Could have stayed in it.
Oh man, come. Oh, okay, man. What the fuck, dude? Mm. No, dude, if this thing drops. So I'm looking for a price to come back into this range. I mean, that's all I'm looking for. But it looks like it doesn't want to do that. Well,
I stop and you. I stop and you.
I think that might have been it. Because the ES somewhat double topped. Damn it, NQ. That's not even fair, man.
Ah, that would've been- man, dang it. Now I gotta see what I missed out on. I gotta measure it. How many points that would have been.
Oh no, so what happened to your what happened to your MFF account?
200 points. Got breached.
How'd you do? Well, I mean, I'm about to say how you do that.
I effed around and I found out.
If you believe, you might have hit daily loss limit.
What was the daily loss limit for the? I don't know. I don't
For
think
what
so.
account?
You know,
You-
100K.
You should have a daily loss limit. The daily loss limit for the 100K is like 2,400, I believe.
Oh, okay. Is it?
Yeah, it's 2,400. And then tomorrow you'll have 1,200 left. I'll draw down.
Okay. All right. I'll go to micros then. Build that back up. All right. So we still in business then. I mean, that sucks because, yeah. I should have, and now looking back at it, I'm like, ah, damn, that was obvious. It's like, I don't know. I still, maybe like you said, we might be back. And I need to focus more. I kind of ignore them now, the signs of the shorts. Like, was it Friday? Was it Friday?
Mm-hmm.
Where I sent you that screenshot? And I was like, oh, damn. I sent the yeah, and all the structure. I ignored literally all the signs, the structure, the big chart, the king push chart. I ignored all of that. I'm like, dang, they could drop this. And then even the way it was looking when I sent the screenshot, I was like, yeah, they could definitely drop this. As soon as I said that, it was like bloop. I was in profit, and then I wasn't.
Yeah, I think I was on the stream that last night.
Literally ignored all the signs. Cause I'm like, nah, I can't trust them. They don't finish.
All right, so I might have to just. I feel like this is. We'll see what side it breaks out on. I feel like this is I mean, they actually might come back in at Yeah, actually, never mind. I think if they do drop it, they'll buy it right back up at 355 because it looks like we're now trending now. Looks like we're about to start trending.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be I don't think they take it back down to that bottom. At least not yet.
I mean, yeah, I don't think that it was gonna go down to this bottom. I was trying to catch the drop to this range real quick. Since I don't have to yeah,
but unless they from the area where price is right now, I would say there's limited upside. I wouldn't really try to if we do get that drop, I would wait for that drop and maybe go long, maybe at VWAP. I just have to see how it reacts at VWAP. Because you got people probably sitting waiting there to get back in. Like, oh, I missed it.
Apex.
Let me get back in at VWAP.
Up the.
And then I feel like there's this heavy supply up here in these 500s. So see who wants it. I don't like that the way it looks on that 2 hour. I've been looking at it, that HTF indicator. I've been having the 2 hour chart just to kind of see. The 1 hour wasn't really doing it for me. I was like, well, let me try. Let's be unconventional. Let me try 2.
Not even fair.
I stop and you.
Let's try 3.
Oh, that's not fair, man.
Like, okay, it's a 3 hour chart. It's a different story.
What's a 3 hour chart telling you?
3 hour chart. Basically, we still in this candle for the 3 hour chart, but yeah, that's 369. We've been going up for 9 hours, and then we got this candle at break even on the 3 hour. It looks like it wants to pump.
Yeah, it does. Apex. Don't. That's not even fair. Oh, that's not even fair, dude. That's not fair. It's not fair. Because I feel like this is a short, but this thing just keeps pumping. So I was like, well, shit. I mean, if I'm wrong,
I mean, I do think it's limited upside though. I don't think they. Well, when I say limited, I just mean like they will look for an area. If the Bears really want it, they'll look for an area to shoot this down again, or it could just keep pumping. I mean, I don't know. That's just what I'm saying. They got to clear out at least 540 for me to be like, all right.
Man, that's
And that's another 100 points or so away. So 570 is my R5. I
570.
just don't think they try to do that today. Might get that tomorrow or something, or pre-market.
Dude, that's not even fair, man. That's not fair. That's not fair.
Okay, and they dipped into the bottom of that 440 I was talking about. So 440 to 480 is the first zone, and then I got 500 to 540. I know that's a 40-point range for each zone, but
damn, this thing could have hit my target, man. All right, man. I got like $1,000 worth of drawdown left in this account.
60K gain weight. That's what's up. Nice. I'm happy for you.
Congrats.
I'm gonna send you a meme, gain weight. It should have been me, not him.
Yeah, I'm about to probably go this account. Yeah, account's wrong.
Okay.
Well, that's my gamble account.
Smith, walk us through your trade idea. Why'd you take that long? Walk us through. You were profitable. Why'd you get out though? All right, walk us through it.
Nah, fuck that. Oh. Man, come on, NQ with that bullshit, man. God damn. She is eating this range up. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Come on, ES or Nasdaq, pump it. Damn it, girl, can you stop dropping? And hit some of them targets before you drop? Thank you. What I'm talking about, baby. Shit. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Shh. Trying to stop me out. I'm trying to be cute. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see if we can get this thing to run a little bit. Just, oh, shit. All right, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Now we can go to the sim. Now we can go. But honestly, I think I might just still. If you see a failure from the Bears here, if you see a failure here from the Bears, we can see a drop here.
I mean, it keeps hitting the bottom of my range at what I mentioned, 440. I got 440 to 480 as the range of potential drop area supply where they take it, and then the next one is 500 to 540. But I mean, this is a super bullish move. But at some point, you know, they do got to pull it back. I mean, I understand.
Yeah.
It's not just gonna go up straight up. There's gonna be some pullbacks and stuff.
That's what we talking about, baby. ES, you ain't gonna lie to me.
Wait, how many runners? How many? You might have mentioned it. I don't know. How many runners you got? Oh, he's out. Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna probably be tough. It's gonna be tough.
Well, Smith was just explaining to me her quick scalp that she caught on ES.
Mm-hmm.
She bought the retest of, bought the retest on a bounce down or on a drop down, caught the bounce, got out at the 200. I don't know if that's moving average or exponential. Whatever. It's 200. Got out at that. Now it did run a little bit higher, but definitely got sold back down.
I mean, I guess this thing could be running. My bad, go ahead.
Points. How many points was that? What's your entry and exit? Entry was
7. That was a lot.
That is a lot for ES. That's what?
Oh, is it?
Yeah. How many points?
6 points?
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a really good trade.
That is a lot for ES.
Yeah, that's a good trade.
6 points. What was your previous one though? So her first trade was good. Well, because I was looking at it, I was like, what's she gonna do? If she don't go long now, she gonna miss the opportunity. She got in at 59.44 and got out at 59.58 on the first trade.
I mean, we could see a bounce here, but I'm gonna hold it short. I'm in the sim, by the way. I mean, but they could bounce it here on the ES. I mean, I'm seeing a double top. Well, it looks like they want to keep this thing going. But I mean, the bears are coming in, dude. Like that. Those are definitely bears. A pullback? We can't get a pullback? There we go. We just need a break right here. Okay. I mean, if they buy it here, then My position is done. If they buy it here, my position is done. If they fail here, then we can probably touch the 200 EMA. We can see that. We appreciate that game. Wait.
For this year, we just started.
Hey.
The year just started.
He says Rose Forest. You just, yeah, like I said, I might just go back to just the trade ES now that I got the size with Apex. Now that I got the size, now it's like, okay, I don't have to catch 20 points from the ES. I can catch my 10 and be good.
Yeah, it looks like a previous level. When they were sitting there.
But if they keep pumping this thing on ES, which they probably will, the market's trending.
I would wait.
Yeah, I'll probably get stopped out of this, but we'll
these
see.
the decisions you got to make in real time. But I would wait.
Hold on, guys, give me a second.
Honestly, I'd probably wait for 6K. Because you know they've come in strong there.
So sell at that point.
Yeah, that's just meant me personally. I wouldn't want to, even though this looks like it is going to try to pull back. Let me see. But did we have anything today? Any news or anything?
So stop and view.
There we go, baby. QSI up 18%. I'll take it. I was able to exit my covered call Friday on the drop. I'm like, man, I don't want to miss out if this stock freaking pumps to like $10, $15 like freaking Rigetti Computer did. Then I miss out on all the freaking gain because I wanted to buy covered or sell covered calls. Because I think that January 17th expiration is gonna get clapped. I think they gonna run that 350 strike. If you want to go back in for the long, I would probably look for 970 if it gets down there, or maybe 72. But was that intentional? Okay.
I was looking at this area right here.
Dang. Sherm's not at his desk. I guess they weren't playing around with my 440 range. They tapped in and dropped that thing. $444, I think, was the high. And they just dropped below these pivots. Oh man, yeah, it might be a while before they. Well, that's the 1 minute.
Buy ice for NQ.
Yeah.
Ice for BS5. Sell stop NQ.
Dang, they really gonna give all this up? Oh, I did forget to tick strike. Hella selling it right now.
Sell stop NQ.
Wow. Why they dumping? I mean, well, I get why they dumping on NQ. Didn't Sherm take a short? I thought I saw he had a short on. I don't know if he stopped out though. Hey, all the way back down to 260. Dang. Let's see if that holds again. We get a bounce. Because 260 was that area last time, I think Thursday or Friday, one of the two. Could have been Wednesday. Are they gonna flush through this and try to double bottom?
Damn. I guess I sold too early, apparently. I guess that short thesis was correct. Did you catch that short
You know
down?
what I'm saying? Well, I can't really trade anything anymore because consistency, but I was about to look into my Apex accounts.
You know what that shit is, bro. I mean,
You know,
I did hit daily. Oh, well, I blew this account. This account is gone. I hit the and it was so fast too. Like it was literally in this area. I lost $7,300. But I mean, I'm so good.
dang,
Yeah, I'm so good at my other
300K.
accounts. Yeah. So I'm so good.
The trail and drawdown makes it happen so fast because you up and you don't take the profits, then they, like I said, they force you to freaking be a scalper,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah.
Until you build enough buffer.
Oh, shit, I should have took that Bitcoin short. I was thinking about it. You know, I had the revenge trade. One of my accounts had to been quote unquote almost sacrificed. So I had to revenge that a little bit. But that was the, well, I guess right now, I guess that's the account because I bought one specifically for gambling. But now for the rest of these accounts, I'm just going to trade. I'm just probably just trade ES, honestly, just to be completely honest. We caught that big drop though. We caught that big drop on ES.
Why'd they sell right there? Were there orders sitting over there? Yes.
There's a breaker structure right here. This actually might be another short. We might actually gonna see another short here. I'm gonna set my limit here just in case. Because now I can trade ES the way I want to trade the ES. This actually might be another short, guys, because give me a second. Let me answer this phone call.
Seller, thank you. Buyer, sleep, thank you.
All right, sorry guys, I had a call. I mean, we'll see, because right here on the ES we had a breaker structure, and looks like they're gonna they retested it. So we broke this low, they came back, and we saw that rejection right there. So that's what I'm playing right now. That's what I'm playing. And I got my stop literally above this high. So yeah, I think that's a good spot for my stop. These are good targets. Honestly, I might actually set these a little bit lower just in case. Just in case. Today's the second, right? Let me buy one more account with Apex. I might cancel some of my MMF accounts, because honestly, if I keep trading like this with ES, baby, look at that. Look at that. Look at that perfect entry. Look at all that money. Yeah, this is definitely the way I want to trade now with ES. I might cancel some of my MFF accounts and start trading Apex.
Just make sure you put your stop into in profit at least, because know how that goes. You don't want to lose all that drawdown.
Yeah. What's up, Mohammed? So we caught a 2K. So we made 2K last night. So all together today, and all together we lost one account with Apex with that stupid trailing drawdown. But you know, hey, whatever. I mean, it's only $18, but all together, last night we made $2,200. We had an ES trade. So I mean, if y'all was with me last night, we literally set a limit right here at 993, and we was only in 2 points of drawdown and caught this drop. This was a $2,300 drop right here. We caught this short right here, but that was in the sim, and we're catching this short right here. So, I mean, all in all, we're doing pretty good so far today. I think the Bears are back though, baby. I think we're back. I'm thinking we're back. Because the Bulls can't keep, like, now it's seeming like the Bulls can't keep, like, once they, like, yeah, the market is still trending. The overall chart is still trending down. It just seems like the Bulls are just giving it up. I mean, if you look, I mean, ever since we hit that high on December 13th, the market has been trending down. Actually put this trend channel on, so I know where this thing started from. Yeah, because the Bears are definitely not. Yeah, probably like right here. Yeah, like probably like right there. Yeah, it's just trending down. Yes, we definitely did. Honestly, I think what it is for me, it's, so my mindset is different now. Because I can trade heavier size, I can trade minis and trade the way I want to trade. I mean, look at all this money I'm making. I get to trade with the trend now. I don't have to counter it because of the smaller size. And shit, we just caught this short. We turned around and made an extra. So yeah, we're doing really good today. And I think yeah, we'll probably stick more with ES, trading the ES from now on. I mean, we could see a bounce. We could see a bounce somewhere. We could see a bounce at S1. We could. We could. We got that perfect entry, baby. Oh crap, that's the wrong one. And I made way more money than on I made way more money on this drop with ES than Nasdaq. That right there shows me that this is probably where I need to be at. Because I made way more money. I made like what, 5? So I was up what, $2,300. So I made about 5K in this leg and about this leg right here. So 23, probably like 3 or 4K in this. So I definitely made more money trading the ES today than the Nasdaq. And honestly, what I probably should be doing with the ES is probably trailing as it goes down, because they might have bought it. Yeah, look at that perfect bounce right there. And I got to remember that about the ES. This ain't the Nasdaq, the ES. And this perfect bounce right here. They swept the liquidity underneath that low, and we're seeing a bounce. Now, I'm not saying that we see a reversal, but the bulls definitely took the liquidity from this area, and we saw that move up. So, you know what? Again, I'm in the sim right now. I'm looking at a potential still rejection down. So I'm adding into this and see if we can get, hold on. Okay, so I'm in the ES trade. I know I'm kind of low, but with all this bearish momentum, I think we can at least get a move back down. I normally would not take this trade this low. I just want to be very clear with that. I'm only doing this because I'm in the sim. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the Nasdaq is a polar bear. Like, she definitely is. She is a polar bear. Freaking swear. Like, I know this was a damn short when I saw it. I knew this was a short, but you saw how she kept stopping me out when I was trying to go short. She kept stopping me out. And I was like, dude, that's a clean short setup. There's no way it was going past this this block of liquidity right here. So I was like, I don't know who you're trying to fool, Nasdaq. There was no way that she was going to trade past this block of liquidity right here. And that's why I kept trying to short it. But I mean, the bears just kept, or not the bears, the bulls just kept buying until they finally gave up on this damn thing. That's what I'm talking about, dude. I'm up like 5, 6K on the ES today, dude. I'm trading the ES. We made so much money on the ES today.
Now he's in love with the ES again.
Hey.
Last year, he was saying I'm not trading ES anymore.
Because I was had to catch all those points. Yeah, I had to catch all them damn points. And I was like, man, I might as well just get on the damn but now I get to trade size now. I'm trading size now, baby. Big ES stepper. Dude, I'm up like 6K in this one. Dude, I'm up 6K, bro.
I'll run it a little bit. 31. Next level down would be, let me see. Yeah, 930 is S1, 923 S2, 917. Excuse me, S3. And then
you said, why did I start trading Apex again? Because of that 90% sale. Yep, that's exactly right, Gameweight.
That's the only reason. The only reason.
The only reason. Dude, you can't pass up a 300K account for $18 that rebuilds at 36. Let me see if they actually got, if the I'm pretty sure they still have time on the deal. I'll probably buy like one more. Yeah, right now Apex is selling their all their 150Ks, their 250Ks, and their 350Ks right now for $18, and it rebuilds at $36 for the lifetime of the account. You can't beat that. All right.
Oh shoot, buyers stepping in.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Freaking buyers.
They treat that as the double bottom.
Yeah, this looks like a double bottom.
Where we at? We got that pivot. No, that's R3.
Well, this
Okay.
definitely taught me something. Trail my stop. Trail the stop.
I told you to do that. You can't mess around with Apex with that stupid trail and drawdown. There's no holding. Unless you're deep in profit, there's no holding on Apex.
Yeah.
All right, that might have been a liquidity grab. Might be good.
Well, it already stopped my position out. It stopped me out. And because I think I lost what? So if I was trailing my stop, I would have been up. I gotta think about something because I wanna trail majority of the position with ES, but I don't want to trail the whole thing because I kind of want to be able to leave a runner and get stopped out of that runner, but then take out the bulk of the position.
ES is playing with Brianna Short right now.
Where's she short at?
Trying to catch- Well, yeah, it's not a good area, but
Yeah,
probably the
BCT.
pullback to the
If you
emails.
trade ES, man, you can't trade in the middle.
Yeah, every point matters on the
It
ES.
definitely does.
Every tick. So, but yeah, like I said, oh wow, I didn't check the 15-minute. They got demand down there, so it makes sense why they bounce right there. And then it's looking like buyers are trying to build right here at their break even. So,
I mean,
you either put
how many contracts are she in right now? And motivation healing. What made you get into this long? With all what made you get into this long? My bad. Go ahead.
4 micros. So put your.
I mean, if you got 4 ES micro contracts, 9 points on a 10 lot is $450. If you got 4, you can really put your stop literally above. So that double top at around 955, I will put it at 957, just in case. Right above that high at 958. So I got my stop at 959. Now I'm only suggesting this because you got small size, and you shouldn't lose that much if it hits your stop. But I do think that we still keep going down though. But with the ES, you can't trade the middle. You'll become liquidity real quick.
Yeah, you either got to get in. Yeah, it's not the NQ. So the NQ can give you hope, and even if you get in the middle, you could possibly survive, especially with momentum. But the ES, every tick, every point really matters.
Yeah, it does. Especially if you're trading smaller size. Especially smaller size. But now that we're back with Apex and I can trade 4 mini contracts with $7,500 of drawdown, yeah, I'm good. We're trading minis, baby.
Put your stop at the 9 on this chart. The 9, the blue line. No, that's the 200. That's your break even. Yeah, put it right there. Change the quantity to 4. We could be all out.
All right, there goes that short right there.
Drop down box. No. Other one. This one? Yeah. Change it to 4. Put your at the blue 9 EMA.
Right here.
Yep. Buy stop. All right, now the trail price.
Oh, did BCT get a Apex account?
No, she's just trading the sim.
Oh, she's trading the sim? Okay. There we go, baby. Scaling successful. There we go.
Was coming. We want heavier though. It's -9 on the NQ and ES, but we like to see them -14, 15s.
Mm-hmm.
Looking at this.
Ice for NQ.
Man, ES is like that with these targets, dude. It's like that. That's what we're talking about.
All right.
That's what we talking about, baby.
It doesn't automatically update. Cancel that 4 lot, change it to 3.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Yo, we're up about like 8K right now, bro. We're up 8K on the ES.
Dang.
We're up 8K on the ES.
How many you traded minis? You said 4 minis?
4 minis.
4, you scaled in 5. Okay. Yes, huh?
Yeah, that's definitely a good play, motivation healing. If you can get a range breakout with the ES, that is easy money. A retest of a breakout, that's easier money. The bulls and the bear usually buy and sell the retest of any range breakout. It's almost guaranteed. I mean, I feel like if you have one trade in your arsenal with the ES, it's that break and retest, or it's buying and selling that retest of a breaker structure. And yes, ES, yeah. We caught damn near this whole leg down. We caught this leg, and now we scaled into this leg right here. So we're up about like 7 or 8K right now.
Now move your stop above break even, because I don't know if they want to double bottom it here and then bounce. I feel like they could have a little bit more downside, but they could double bottom it here. The one up there, close that.
So I forgot where I had my
below your break even. No,
my long entry.
Yeah.
We could see a move on ES
Left click.
all the way down to 895, 896.
Left click. Hurry up. Protect your position.
Fire PPS. 4 fire DM.
Protect your profits. Just in case they double bottom it. Like, yeah, it sucks. But it's there to protect. I do want to see them hit 930, but I don't know. I'm 10 points away from here.
Yeah, I'm in the sim with this one, Alfred. So, well, honestly, I would do the same thing. I mean, I would do the same thing. I'm not gonna lie, I would do the same thing. Trailing my stop, that's got to be a work in progress.
Well, you got to do it with Apex, so. Dude, buyers stepping in here.
I think they're gonna fail though.
You think?
I think they're gonna fail.
Don't let that go back on you. Losing trail and drawdown.
Oh no, I'm in the, right now. I'm in the sim.
Oh, that's a sim.
Yeah, I'm in the sim right now.
It
Yeah,
don't
dude, I already
matter.
made. So I made 2,300 in 2 accounts and 3,600 in one. So I mean, I'm good on the day. I'm good. So actually, basically, so I'm about 7 or 8K in this trade.
Yeah.
And I made 8K in between 3 evals. So really, I'm up like 16,000 today. Trading a freaking ES. Trading a freaking ES. Make trading the ES great again. Oh yeah, let me hurry up and buy like one more account with Apex. Before I think the deal ends today. I think it ends today. Yeah, I might actually cancel some of my MFF accounts because yeah, I think I like Apex now. Well, I like these 300K accounts. Yeah, I probably buy like two more. I like buy like two more. Without none of the craziness from the Nasdaq, just the straight moves on the ES. I love it. 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 Mm. Yeah, no, I'm not I'm gonna just trade the ES, honestly. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'll just go back to trading the Nasdaq and the sim. I think today really showed me the profit potential with the ES. If I just wait for the so I'll trade I'll trade the Nasdaq and Bitcoin with Apex. And I was thinking about taking this damn thing short. I'll trade Bitcoin and ES with Apex. And I'll trade the Nasdaq and the sim because for whatever reason I guess I can't help it. When I get into the Nasdaq, especially with size, and I see that I'm up 2K, I start gambling. So, I mean, I think it's best if I just stay in the ES. Did we hit 32? We didn't even hit 32, which is weird. We didn't hit 32. 33, 32. We got to bounce. All right. Let's see what they do here at VWAP and the 200 EMA on the ES. Because we're getting a touch on the ES, or we'll see if they shorted here. Because 958. Yeah, motivational motivation healing. Yeah, yeah. Especially if you're trading the micros. That's why I usually just keep a 9-point stop on micros. And depending on the size, you can adjust it. I mean, the ES shouldn't be going too far against an area of supply and demand, but I went tilt like 2 Fridays ago because the ES did the same thing to me, man. It missed me literally by a tick and ran up like 100 points. And I was revenge shorting it the entire day. But it's pretty cool that you actually recognize that you could go tilt and you walked away. That's pretty cool. That's something that I should add to my game as well. Just taking a break and walking away. Okay. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's the only accounts I need. I don't need any more. And like I said, I'll probably cancel some of my MFF accounts. All right, so we got so yeah, it's looking like we're getting a double bottom. So okay. All right. Well, I guess this position showed me right here that I should definitely keep a trail with my position. I definitely let a lot of plays or two positions come back and stop me out. All right, so let's see what they do here at VWAP on the ES. Because I mean, we could get a pullback back to 48. We could get I see a pullback, but I mean, the ES right now is in a range. It's in this range. I'm gonna try one more short. I want to see. I want to try one more short. Again, I'm in the sim on this one. I want to try one more short. Yeah. And there goes our short. There goes our short, baby. There goes our short, baby. That's what I'm talking about. And then just trailing this. We'll see if the bears fail here.
No, the yellow one is. That's the 50.
This is the picture. This is the one.
Mhm.
You said, why don't I take trail stops and take profit? I mean, again, I'm in the sim. I'm in the sim right now. I've already made my profits for the day. And even if I wasn't in the sim, I probably wouldn't trail. But that's probably something that I'm gonna have to work on. I mean, if I trail, so I mean, I know that Apex has that stupid trail and drawdown. I know that. I just feel like if I'm trailing my position and then it stops me out and goes hit my target anyway. That's a recipe to go tilt. I'm being completely honest. But if I'm in a one of my evals, then yeah, I guess I'll trail. I guess. So well, yeah, I'll get into the habit of doing that gain weight. I mean, yeah, that's a good trading practice. It definitely is. I probably, yeah, yeah. Like I said, that has to be a work in progress. I mean, I have to work on that because it's only targets or stops and that's it. But yeah.
Buyers sleep and you. So it expires and you.
After hits those first two targets, I guess we can trail it, I guess. Game weight is right. I guess I should just start practicing quote unquote good trade management. But I'm not going to move my stop down until my first target gets hit. My first and probably second target. And then I'll trail for the runners.
Ice for DS5.
Or I might just set up a trailing stop like I have on the NQ. There we go. All right, I'll move my stop down once we hit that second target, if we hit it. But I guess I could just, I guess I could reduce my risk right here. I guess I could, but I'm not going to.
I stop and you. Ice for DSL.
And Mohammed, you says on Apex, if you average into a position, it breaches. I think they took that rule away. If you DCA into an account, I think they went back on that. If I'm not mistaken, you can DCA into your accounts again, or into a position. But on the ES, I'm not going to DCA into an ES position. The Nasdaq all day. I will always DCA on a Nasdaq trade. That's a given. It goes lower, I'm buying more. That's a given. But not the ES. Ow. Not the ES. The ES ain't like that to be DCA into it.
Ice for DS5.
All right. So yeah, I'll trail once it hits that second target. And then it's going to get to the point to where I can probably trade like 15 lots on ES and really kill Apex and really kill AS. It's like, oh my God, we got one of those. Making $1 million in Apex and having them pay it out. Oh, we need to record your trade. Nope, you can look at the channel. I stream all my trades. Damn it, we couldn't get them with that one. All the trades are streamed. So you ain't gonna get me with
Go
that.
to my channel. Subscribe, by the way, too.
Yeah, since you over there being nosy,
While you
subscribe.
at it.
You ain't worrying about what trades I take instead of copying them. That's all you got to do.
Since you over there being nosy. Subscribe. That is too funny.
As Alfred says, he tries to DC, but not. Yeah, I mean, I try not to do it either. I mean, I think it's a good habit to get out of DCAing into a losing position. Getting in, DCAing into a winning position like I do with these. Now we can trail these. Now we can trail it. Now we can trail. Hit them targets, baby.
Sellers.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's let this one run. All right, we're going to trail this shit. Man, Dude, we made so much money on the ES today. It is freaking... Dude, I've made more money on the ES today than I made it in the Nasdaq in a single session. It's crazy. I think, dude, I have to be up. I know the last time we looked, we was up about 16K. This has to bring me up to like 17, 18 on the ES. Look at that shit go, dude.
Iceberg NQ. Sellers VPS. Sellers VPS. Top VS sell.
Yeah, we'll trade ES. We'll trade ES mostly because dude, we made so much money on the ES today. It's crazy. Good entries, none of the bullshit. I mean, we did get this back and forth crap, but we had a good scaling entry right here. We saw the break and retest right here. And actually, this is what I was talking about. These type of trades on the ES is damn near guaranteed. Like, it's damn near guaranteed. It's hard to lose on a trade like this. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Keep going.
Iceberg NQ.
Damn, what was my... All right. Man, shit, let's let this thing keep running. We'll just keep trailing and let it run. Just keep trailing and let it run. All right, that's what we talking about, baby, dude. Dude, we have about like 25 points right now on the ES. This shit is too easy. It's too easy. Apex is going to probably ban me. He's making too much money. He's not gambling. He's making too much. Put that right there. But yeah, these tests right here on the ES, these are damn near always winners. You see a breaker structure of support or resistance. You see that drop down, and that first test of that resistance area is usually your day right there. That's usually your day. And we got another second retest right here of that breaker structure. And obviously we're in this one right now. But I mean, this was your day right here. Imagine catching this whole damn thing down right here. And Smith, I'm thinking we're back, baby. I think the shorts are back. I'm thinking we're back, baby. I'm thinking we're back.
Yeah,
I'm
it
thinking
could be.
we're
I
back.
still don't. I need more proof for them for me to start trusting them again. But my baby CL outperforming
Oh, is she?
over there, showing out, pumping.
He said, "When it's time to get paid out with Apex, they look at your risk management." Well, as long as I'm trading ES, I mean, it's shit. It was like, damn, he damn near always gets perfect entries. I mean, like I said, the ES is so easy to trade. The only thing that makes ES hard, probably like mostly for Nasdaq traders, is that you don't get instant gratification with the ES, obviously, but you do get clean technical analysis based moves. She breaks structure. She's not doing that stupid crap that the Nasdaq does. Like, she makes you think like she breaks structure and she'll keep going up and then drop. Let's actually look at that. Let's look at that and see if the Nasdaq actually did that. No, actually, the Nasdaq actually, look at that. They shorted at the 14.23% right here and at R3. It made it like it trapped bulls above this high. But when I was trying to short the Nasdaq earlier, this block of liquidity right here, excuse me, this block of liquidity right here, I was like, there's no way that the bulls are going to get above that without having a pullback at least. And so that's why I was trying to short it this morning. But once I saw it kept going, I was like, well, fuck, let me just switch long. But in a pure NQ fashion, as I shifted long, she was trying to shift being bearish again. And good thing I was able to get out of that position, at least green on that one.
Okay, I think shorts, I mean, longs are cooked right now because it's holding this downtrend.
Yeah.
I mean, we had pops.
Oh shit, did I get stopped out? All right. This is a dangerous trade, guys. I'm gonna get in. I think we're still in the downtrend. This is definitely a dangerous trade. I wouldn't normally take this trade, but because I'm in the sim, I'm taking it. Just a disclaimer. And y'all see I was down like $4,600 and I was able to bring the account back. Yeah, the profitability on ES is so high. It's so high. It's almost a crime how easy it is to trade her. I'm not gonna complain about that though.
If you're on the right side.
Yeah. Yeah.
Better hope you on the right side with heavy size.
Yeah. So I think if I lose, I think I have a 6-point stop. I think. Let me actually look at that. Let me actually look at the okay, so I have that's a 7-point stop on the ES on 4 mini contracts. So I'm thinking that's like probably, what is that? No, that's not 35. That's like, let me see. So I lose $1,300 every time I get stopped out on the ES. So if I'm trading size with ES, I'm definitely going to have to wait for a double top in confirmation. I don't have to catch the exact top on the ES anymore. I probably still will do it because, obviously I like catching tops and bottoms, but now when I know that the ES makes these double tops, I can safely put my stop above these highs and ride it. I think once price gets to 59.36, if we see that, they probably might short this. They probably might short it at the 50 EMA at these lows right here. He says motivation healing. He says TP hit 70% close and stuck with another runner. If you're short, let that thing run. I think we're coming back. I think we're making a comeback. I think this is a good short. I'm gonna keep my stop where it's at. I think this is a good short down. My stop above that high right there.
That's crazy, then. I wonder how Patrick got his payout if they looking at all that. Then now that fool be YOLO in 15 cons.
Yeah.
They paid him out though.
They had to pay his ass out, but my bad. Go ahead.
It's 600 grand.
He made 600 grand. Oh yeah, across all his accounts. Yeah.
Yeah, all his accounts. Probably because he got that big audience, and then he would have ragged on them if they didn't pay him out.
Yeah. I guess in order to guarantee your payouts, become a financial influencer and influence people to buy Apex accounts.
It's like Apex is like a mafia. They use mafia tactics.
Buyers APS.
Yeah, I would actually be
Buyers.
stopped out right here. I would have got stopped out.
Go to the 550 tick. See what that's looking like.
So we do see a bounce. 940. Okay, so now if we do see a bounce here, then it's going to probably come up here to 948, 945. Yeah, probably like it's going to probably sweep this high right here. Let me actually mark this. Potential trap above this high. We'll see.
Sell stop and view.
948.50.
Sell retweet and view.
It did break that double bottom, but stepped in on that recent low.
All right. So we got a potential trap high right there on the ES, but I mean technically we would need this to drop. I mean, I'm thinking that they'll probably short it. The bears are trying to short it at the 50 EMA, but I mean if they don't hold it, yeah. Because that's the first test of the 50 EMA. And I think from what I've back studied, the first test of the 50 EMA and a downtrend is usually good, but I will say that we are kind of at the bottom of this. So normally I wouldn't have taken this trade, but we're in the sim, so it's okay.
Yep, the sim is for revenge and the tests.
So I guess earlier today you said that there it goes. That's why I keep a close stop on ES. Because I should have just lost 1,300, but
Nice for ES sell.
Oh yeah, thanks to Friday, I was able to keep my shares and close that covered call.
really?
Yeah. And now today we pumping, baby. We back.
You flipped?
Stocks up. The stocks up. Well, I didn't. Yeah, all I did, I still got the shares. All I did was close my position. Cause I'm like, man, they're gonna smash that. Cause it don't expire until the 17th. It's one of those.
Okay.
Those monthly options. I got 2 weeks on it, and they're close to. It's a 350 strike. Price is at 327. I'm like, nah, that's gonna get smashed.
Hey, what's up, Audrey? You said what?
See what silver doing. Okay, got a little pump action out of silver.
Oh yeah, let me delete gold. So we was talking about gold. I didn't actually look to see if my short actually worked. I don't remember I got in short with gold.
Well, I know you was up $100 million in that silver trade.
Oh yeah, we were.
A silver short.
Okay, so silver's kind of like gold too. It doesn't overshoot. You can definitely take risk to reward trades on silver. Like I said, all you need is 18 cents of risk, but 27 just to make sure. Any more than 27 would be an unnecessary loss at that point. Because if you're going in the right direction with these metals, it seems, you're definitely shown right away.
Yeah. You hold on the wrong side, you will get clapped and find out. It's like it's gearing up.
Yeah, so let's try this Nasdaq. I'm in the sim again. I'm gonna try this long on the Nasdaq.
It's struggling. They're not. They're struggling around this area. Not trying to take it higher. And it's in a downtrend, so it's going against everything right now. All right, let's see if we can get some pump action, get some buyers to come in here.
Mm-hmm.
But I would be cautious around, yeah, around up there. If it goes on a little pump.
Well,
They could step in here though. If they step in, that's a good thing. Take price at least to the midpoint there.
mm-hmm.
58.
I think we get back to the top of that range at least. I mean, the only thing that's concerning in this position right now is that the bears are trying to reject this at the 50 EMA. That's the only thing.
Yeah, it's still in a downtrend too, so that's kind of what you might have to accept break even. But I mean, you have to call. You just have to wait and see, and make your decision off of what's happening in the moment. Kind of, because it is technically still in a downtrend.
Yeah,
they're struggling. The Bulls are struggling. I think we are back.
thinking we're back, baby. The Bulls would already ran this all the way up to the highs.
Right. The real Bulls. So they go on vacation.
They ain't back in front of their desk yet.
So yeah, we coming back in 3 months. We'll be back. All right. So we got momentum. We got tens on there.
Oh, and you said we should be looking for what number? What range?
For what on this?
All right, motivation healing. Yeah, no problem. And Alfred, or not Alfred, Muhammad says fighting from every side. Options versus VIX versus. Well, what's P balance versus hedging versus the Dixie? And Alfred, yeah, the market is definitely ruthless today. I mean, if you ain't on your P's and Q's today, you definitely got clapped. Well, not you, but those that wasn't on their P's and Q's today got clapped in both directions.
Back up to $4.
Fortune seller, yeah.
Dang, yeah. Yeah, break even was the. They couldn't hold their momentum so far. Got this big order block right there. 41.50.
Yeah, I'm definitely just going to start trading the ES with the size.
Portfolio rebalancing.
Oh, portfolio? Okay. So they got that short. They shorted the 200 EMA, huh? Huh. I'm thinking we're back. I got the wrong strategy. Big ES stepper. All right, so we short again. We short the Nasdaq and the ES this time. Decent entry on both. Yeah. I'm not playing these games with the Nasdaq with heavy size. These back and forth moves. Yeah, that's not it. I'm definitely been sticking with to the ES. Of course. Of course. All right, so let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do here at this this high right here. Of course. All right. So they swept the liquidity above that high. Ah, damn. Let's see if they'll get me. I want to get close to that high as possible. All right. All right. So we'll see what they do here. All right. So we should get that first target hit at least. But that was a beautiful swipe of liquidity above that high, above that swing high right there. So we should get that first target hit.
Oh, they moved their order up, so that's a good sign. There was a heavy order there at 49.
Was it?
They took it off. Yeah, on the micros. We're looking at micros though. Those are
Let's look
pretty-
at my own side. 51 up and then to Japan is at 52.70.
Yes, but
I wish it told the delta.
Yes,
Like
so.
I like so Bookmaps Dom tells you the delta, and then it tells you the overall on each buys and sells, and then gives you the delta at each level. I like that. That's a nice Dom. Any Dom that does that.
And you talk about the ES or Nasdaq?
Well, I'm talking about the Dom on Bookmaps Dom
Oh,
in general. They show the delta overall between the buys and sells, and then they show the total buys and total sells at each price level.
mm.
So say you could look at, if we're looking at ES, say we look at 950 and say that there's like, say like 5,000 buy transactions or whatever at 950, and then only like a couple hundred sells or whatever. You know, that's, well, obviously, but you know, just from the numbers that that'll be like an area to look out for,
Yeah.
as an example. I wish freaking Tradeovate. I feel like they do it like this. I mean, let's be real. This is like a gambling type, but they do it to like almost gamify.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's almost gamified. This looks like. Like, I don't know if I could really take their platform serious from that aspect.
Sell stop and view.
Then when I was trading on TradingView, I liked that. Freaking U Profit had gotten me gotten me used to Tradeovate or TradingView.
Mm-hmm.
Then got me questioning everything now. I'm like, dang, do I want to still trade it? Except TradingView's Dom sucks. It's horrendous.
Yeah, it is. That thing sucks.
It's like you gotta pick and choose what features, who has the best features overall, and
Well, 60% of top step traders are along the ES and Nasdaq right now.
oh no, that's the signal.
They could be
Are they
right.
on the right side? I'm not about to say, like, are they on the right side for once? No way. I mean, BCT has been long for a while now. It's just started to pay off.
Where did BCC
Yeah,
get long
true.
at?
What is that? 42. 42 and a quarter. Well, that was your last scale in. I'm talking about your overall, your break even. It was at 42.
Mama said that's the signal short.
Oh,
Yep. 60%
well,
of
we
top
got
step
our
traders are long.
we got our stop on. We got our stop. Got our stop. So just let it play out. Whatever happens, happens. Brianna concepts. Yeah, I wish I could add. This stuff is so like simple. Be like a volume profile type thing. They don't have that here.
Yes, you know you want to at least drop to 37. Just do it already.
Yeah. I don't want to miss out on no crazy pump on this stupid stock, penny stock.
Which one you looking at?
Like I missed out on Rigetti. I literally saw that thing at pennies, and I was like,
Oh.
nah.
Yeah, speaking about that, this is not financial advice, but I might be looking into getting some Doge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
What's the reasoning behind that?
Elon.
It's at what, 33 cents.
Yeah, it's at 33 cents, right at the same price where XRP was at.
Well, he is the reason it tanked. His little last whenever he did a SNL appearance.
Mm-hmm. But he's the reason why it pumped back up.
Yeah, that's true. That sucks though. It was at 75 cents or whatever, somewhere around that range. He said that that's dumped. Whatever he said, what he said, then that's just crashed.
Yeah, I wish it dude, I wish I got in when it was underneath a penny. That would have been nice. All the people that did. A lot of traders at that time was like, yeah, someone just told me to buy Doge. I didn't think anything of it. And now I'm up 10K. Should have been me. Not him.
Should have been me.
That one trader that was up like $2 million right now on Doge. He didn't sell it the first time. So Graham was telling him that he should take the money, I forgot what he told him to put it in, and to basically let your money work for you and make your salary and don't have to do anything. But obviously he didn't sell or anything. And I mean, he got his money back. Doge ran back up and it went up to 50 cents. So if he didn't sell anything, I mean,
he didn't sell.
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead. Yeah, finish your thought.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, if he didn't sell that, I mean, a gambler is always going to gamble.
It was just crazy because he did get his money back. He got back to 2 mil, but he's holding out for that $1. I'm like, dude, take some profit. And then he's been buying more. He's been adding. So he should be like super up. If he's been adding since that first 2 mil that he gave up. And I'm like, dude, have you not learned your lesson the first time? At least secure some of that and then take Graham's advice, put it in a freaking SPY, and just let it ride.
Yeah, grow over time.
You'll get price increase over time and get dividends from SPY. So it's and just have the dividends on the drip, reinvesting back into it, and you're good. But no.
Aw, man. Man.
Diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands.
Well, that's a breakout on ES. That's a breakout of that range.
That's between all your contracts. How many ticks you're up? The BCT long. Can we get our first TP?
Is she trading the ES or the Nasdaq?
Micro ES.
Micro ES.
Nah, that's how I wouldn't wish that on anybody trading the NQ.
What?
As a person just starting out, I wouldn't put that on anybody. You stay away from that. If anything, you stay away from it.
Okay.
Don't even look away.
Well, we made a lot of money. We lost a lot of money. But at the end of the day, we had fun doing it.
Bitcoin's ripping.
Is it? Ah, shit. I would have short. Oh, good thing I didn't short that.
That's what Bandit said.
Well,
Soundhound,
I mean,
$20. Man,
yeah,
dang,
you know what?
man.
That's
Dang.
a short right there.
I hate all these penny stocks that I looked at and that I was in. They're all up now because I got paper hands. Greatest paper hands in history.
Yeah, you gotta hold them stocks, bro. Especially if they penny stocks. Not like you threw a couple grand in it unless you did. I mean, $200. I mean, shit, we lose $200 every day. Gamble. So shit.
Such a crazy thing to say. I know, but it sucks because it's like it's not doing what I wanted to do in that moment. Telling me I gotta wait. That's why I'm holding these stupid shares now. It better pump. You better give me $10 or above. I ain't trying to miss out. I won't even look at it. That's my problem. Keep looking at it every day. Just forget about it. Come back in a couple months. Like, oh,
Maybe
I'm
a
up $3
couple
million
years.
off this. Oh, that's nice. I'm up 3 million. Take my password away from me so I can't log in.
Where's my password? What's my password? Yo, good long. I mean, shit. I mean, yeah, that's a good long. I mean, with all that bearish momentum, I mean, I would have been done already with this short. But, that bearish momentum, I'm surprised anybody bought that. But I guess technically,
I'm surprised anybody bought it.
yeah. This ain't a bull market no more. We bears, we coming back.
I'm worried that it has ran its course though.
Oh,
It is still downtrend on the 5 minute. Oh wow.
Whoa.
Okay.
What the hell was that? All right, so the market's trending. Okay. Fine. Fine. All right, so the market is now trending now. Market's
What's
trending.
your stats right now? Curious. Oh wow, how many losses did it take? Hit the go. 317. When did that happen?
You said that you think that was you? So check it out. You said Visa news? All right, man. Whatever, man. Whatever.
There they come. They stepping in.
Whatever. Bears, I thought we was back. I thought we was back.
See how short-lived that was?
I thought we were back.
It's always short-lived. That's why I can't trust them, man. Dang. See good setups. And I can't even trust myself to take it. Can't trust them.
Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, that's it for me to get today. I mean, we made money in the accounts that matter. Now we was about like
Yes,
16, 18K,
sir.
but I think I gave all that shit back.
QSI, baby.
I think it.
Yeah. The real stock picker over here. If y'all have bought when I alerted y'all in the stream at $1.20, $1.29.
Which one is that?
QSI.
Oh yeah, QSI. Yeah, that's gonna probably be a big stock. Let's actually
Yeah,
look at that. I'll show the option data for that, and I'm gonna have to jump into this meeting real quick.
Oh yeah, that's right. You gotta go. Yeah, I bought in at 129. I tried to get in a little bit lower, but it was playing around.
So this thing, yeah, well, that was a sucky entry.
175%.
Yeah, that's crazy. It bounced right at this gamma level. Bounced right at the gamma level. And if you bought call 250 calls, it ran all the way up to 350 calls. They're up $1 right now.
Yeah, that's how I had to get out of my 350 cover calls because I'm like, that's gonna get ran.
Yeah.
We got 2 weeks left on it. That's gonna get ran.
Yeah. Did you get back in long?
I just haven't did any other options. No. Because the strikes, I think they're like monthlies. The strikes aren't. Yeah, I don't think they got weeklies on it yet.
Oh, okay.
Let me see.
But all right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta hop into this meeting. We have fun today. We made money today. I think I'm gonna probably start focusing on the ES today with all the money that we freaking made on ES today. We made a hell of a lot of money, and they weren't even hard trades. They were easy, clean cut trades. So yeah, I think we're gonna probably focus more on the ES. We'll still take Nasdaq trades in the sim, but we'll probably still take these ES trades. But all right, guys, appreciate y'all joining. We'll come back later on tonight. With that said, peace out, everybody.
All right, later.